5:30. For months now, physical therapists have been reporting issues with Georgia's new license renewal system. It's called GOLS. PTs are just one profession out of dozens required to use it to renew or register their license to be able to work. But they say that the system is just full of bugs here. The Secretary of State's office has extended the renewal deadline for this group twice, following some complaints.
Now, next Friday, anyone who has not renewed their license will no longer be able to work. But some tell our Brittany Kleinpeter the system still has issues.
It's a problem that continues to persist.
We've still got a lot of licensees who need help.
Despite extension after extension.
Each time we get closer to the deadline, I surely get a little bit more stressed.
Hundreds of PTs and PT students from across the state gathered on Georgia State's campus Tuesday before meeting with their local legislators for PT Day at the Capitol. The topic that dominated the day, issues with the state's new license renewal and registration system called GOLS. Even for first-year PT students who are years away from getting their licenses expressed concerns.
And it puts a lot of families in stress.
In a field already impacted by shortages, some PTs like Daniel Dale, who is also a PT professor, worries it will worsen things.
I think of our new graduates and some of their stories of contacting the Secretary of State's office over 30, 40 times. It's just a lot of stress that doesn't need to be put on our new grads, and I think they're getting caught up in this process because of the backlog just on the license renewals.
Physical therapist Stephen Clark, who works for a telehealth-style practice operating in dozens of states, says he still hasn't been able to get his license renewed.
If my license were to expire, I would not be able to see patients in the state of Georgia and then 16 other states throughout the United States as well.
According to the Secretary of State's office, they say 86% of those who can renew have been processed, adding that the cutoff date remains February 16th for PTs to renew their license to continue working. In Atlanta, Brittany Kleinpeter, 11 Alive News.